Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku of today, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, I see a lot of nines, so we will start with the 9. Let me see, a 9 in this column, a 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for a 9 should be here or there. But I see here already a 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. I see there 9, so no 9 in this box. One box remains for the 9, should be this one. Then a 9 in this column, a 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for 9 is here, here, or there. But I see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let's see with the 3. There are a lot of 3s. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 3 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then let me see. The 2, no. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 4 and 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 7, should be here. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. In the first row, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 6 and 7. We go to can I do something with the no, we cannot do something with the 8 or the 5. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there, but now I see a 2 over there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7s in these 2 boxes. I see there 7, so no 7 in this box. 1 box remains for the 7, should be here. 2 boxes are missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 2 and 4. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then these 2 missing numbers in this column are for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for a 6 should be here. 1 box is missing in this row for the number 5. Then a 1 in the 3rd column, 1 in the 1st column, so in the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then the 8 in the 1st column, the 8 in the 3rd column, so in the 2nd column, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. These 3 numbers in the last row for the missing numbers 2, 4 and 7. I see here 4, so no 4 there. I see there 4, so no 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 and 7, 2 and 7 in this big square. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and a 1 goes here. Then yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means, sorry, the same with the 7. 7 is also a missing number. We have a 7 there, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. There are 7, so no 7 in this box. So we have a pair, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for this row. For the number 6, 6 is missing. Then these 3 boxes are reserved for the numbers 8 and 2 and 2, 8 and 5. 2 and an 8 and a 5. I see here 8 and a 2. So in this box, no 8 and a 2 here. That means 1 digit left for the 5. Here we have a pair, 8 and a 2, 8 and a 2. These 2 is also a pair, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. 2 and an 8, 2 and 8, that means one box left in this column for the number 5. Then we have 2 and an 8 here. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the number 7 and 5. 7 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. 7 and 5. How about the 4? Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And then these 3 numbers are for the numbers 2, 6 is missing, and the 9. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. I see here 6 and a 2. 1 digit left for the 9. So here we have a pair 2 and 6. 2 and 6. I see here 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Then these 2 boxes for this column for the numbers 1 and 7, we have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box missing in this big square for the number 7. 1 box is missing in this middle row for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 boxes missing in this big square. 2 numbers missing for the numbers 8 and 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box is missing in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes are missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have now a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 5. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes for this Sudoku medium. Alright, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like, or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for now, and I will see you in a minute for the last Sudoku, the regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. Alright, thank you, and bye bye for now.